Grass, tore up. Flowers, tore up. Trash, tore up. Guess what? Found the culprit. So we set the trap out late last night and we set some food in it. They were able to get the food out by 10 p.m. but the trap was empty. So around 4 o'clock, the mom tried to come back with the babies, I guess, to do one last check, and the babies got trapped. So I kept on hearing this crying like about 4:40 in the morning, and you know they make like a cooing, rolling sound, and with that, poor thing. Okay, so she's been trying to get them out the cage, and they've been reaching their arms out, almost like they're hugging her. So what we're doing is we setting the car up right now, and we are going to transport them out. Safety is a must. I was doing the recording. Yeah. Oh, 2 left gloves. Haha. All right, so let's go ahead and get this, and we're gonna cover them up so they don't see what's going on, and we're gonna take them far away from the house safely, and we're gonna release them. We're gonna bring the trap back. There's actually a mom and a dad because we seen those two, so hopefully we get to trap them too and take them far away. Gotta be careful carrying that. Well, they were peeing everywhere. Easy does it, sweetie. That's my mama, y'all. She wanted to do this. I didn't make her. She wanted to do this. She said, I got this. All right, so now we drove them far away and we are releasing them. Get out of there. Get out of there. Turn it upside down. Let's see what's going to happen. Where'd that other one go? Oh, there he is right there. He on your side. Where'd he go? No, he's not under there. Oh, he climbing on the tire. Well, so we got in and moved the tire, and he went on up the pole with his brother or his sister with his sibling. They went all the way to the top. The other one is already at the very top of the pole, just sitting there. And the one that was last released is actually climbing the pole, and they are up there together. Together, you all, please make sure that you stay safe. I'm talking to you that's viewing the viewers, not the raccoons, but the raccoons too.